Welcome to the Valley Center High School lunch announcements. Stay tuned for the latest news and updates. Interested in joining a club? Make sure to sign up during lunch. Sign-ups are held every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, with different clubs available each day. Get ready for the 64th Annual Valley Center Fall Festival, featuring Thriller Nights. Mark your calendars for September 25th and 26th, 2026, for a weekend full of community fun. Get ready for Picture Day. Mark your calendars for Thursday, August 27th. It is more than just a yearbook. It is a collection of your year's best moments. Order your 2026-2027 yearbook for $40 by September 18th. You can also personalize your cover and share your photos with us. Valley Center Athletics season passes are on sale now. Get access to all home events with various family and student pass options available. Don't miss the Fall Sports Preview on August 27th at the VCMS Gym and District Stadium. The schedule includes various team introductions and scrimmages. Admission is a case of water to support VC Athletics. Here is your weekly athletic schedule for August 9th through August 15th. Be sure to check for updates, as some event times are subject to change. Take note of the Valley Center High School bell schedule to stay on track throughout your day. Here is the August lunch menu. Remember, our food service operates on a prepay system, so please ensure funds are deposited into your account prior to purchase. If you see something, say something. You can submit an anonymous tip by downloading the P3 Tips app or visiting the school district website. Don't forget to order your 2027 yearbook online at joestons.com. Need guidance on your future? Meet with your college and career advisor, Ms. Grantham, in room A16. She can help with college exploration, financial aid, and career planning.